brush her. She's got to be brushed. Here, wait a minute. Just a minute. Put the light on here. Okay. Alright. She likes to sleep in this empty box from the water bottles. I'm going to brush Sally. She loves being brushed. She enjoys it, and she has to be brushed before we bring her in because you don't know what you're going to find on her. Right, Sally? Okay. You want to go down and eat? Huh? Okay. You can go ahead and eat. Are you still looking for more brushing? Okay. Good stuff.